In this lesson we will see how we can compare the models. Till now we wrote prompts using the default model, which was Gemini 2.0 Flash. So now we will compare the models. I already clicked on create prompt. So I'll click compare and you can see different models. Select any model. I'll select Flash Light Preview here. Now let us type a prompt and it will give a result for both the models. AI is a boon or a bane. It will show me the output parallelly. Click run. Here it is, you can see. We will also check the speed. Here you can see, okay, 6.4 seconds, 4.5 seconds, because the left one gave a bigger answer. You can also click here, 762 tokens, 749 tokens, okay. I'll click here, edit, compare models or compare LLMs. Click save. So this is how we can compare different models.